Today we are watching a very interesting health stock that we never talked about. It's called Mydecine Innovation Group, and we are actually going into the pros and cons on Simply Wall Street, which is a nice website. So currently the market cap is around $91 million, and we are having a couple of summary points here. For example, they are saying Mydecine Innovation Group operates as a biopharma and life science company which focus on research, development, and acceptance and commercialization of alternative nature-sourced medicine for treating mental health problems. Okay, so the rewards here could be the revenue is forecasting to grow 138%. This is something that you don't see that often, specifically in the health industry. You know, just when the companies are pretty new, are working on a new medicine, then you can see this kind of things. And you can also see here that there's also the risk analysis. That's why I love the summary here. It says has less than 1 year of cash runway. We have shareholders being substantially diluted in the past year, makes less than $1 million in revenue, and currently unprofitable and not forecast to become profitable over the next 3 years. But that's normal in the health industry, okay? I want to introduce you to this company by the words of the CEO. Check out this video.
Mydecine Innovations Group is a global company with really three main focuses. That's intellectual property and R&D, clinical trials, and our technology platform MindLeap.
Mydecine has a large selection of intellectual property filings that are designed to cover all of our research and products of that research with multiple filings. We have claims in there that are designed to create multiple layers of protection for all the work that we're doing so that the value there is well secured.
Mydecine currently has an exclusive partnership with Applied Pharmaceutical Innovation that operates out of the University of Alberta.
Through API, they actually hold a Schedule I dealer's license that allows us to really create the most efficacious and ethical medicine that we can to help combat, what's the biggest problem that's going on in pharmaceutical medicine today.
We've partnered with them from the beginning of our company, and they bring very strong depth of experience in pharmaceutical chemistry, natural products chemistry, and also allow us to do all of the production for our clinical trials.
University of Alberta's Faculty of Pharmacology is currently ranked in the top 15 in the world for pharmaceutical drug discovery and top 3 in the world for artificial intelligence. We're combining the forces of both of these verticals to create the next generation of psychedelic medicine.
This space is actually quite interesting because, if you're looking into the health problems that we have nowadays, it's become more and more that health problems in the mental section is very common. And when you have a company that's working on breaking, medicine and psychedelics and just having it all on natural basis, then this is something that people really like. Ask yourself, if you are, standing in front of a shelf of medicine and you have a natural and a chemical, you always go for the natural, at least for me, right? I mean, it feels just better to be all natural than going for some chemical drugs that are not that great, right? But let's dive into the chart of Mydecine and let's have a look what the chart can tell us about the company. We are Mydecine Innovation Group with their ticker symbol MYCOF. Okay, and what a day it was yesterday. 22.36% in 1 day. This is great, guys. Okay, currently with a market cap of already inflated to $111 million, and now very close to all-time high. The all-time high here was the 52 weeks all-time high was 52 cents, and the lowest one was 19 cents. So we almost double in a matter of 1 year. Volume about 7.2 million shares, much bigger than the average. And what is also important here, guys, to understand, this is a penny stock, okay? So everything that is trading under $5 is officially a penny stock. And let's have a look what is also here important, okay? So PE ratio is not available because they are not profitable yet, which is again normal in this kind of young companies or healthcare companies, because they're working on products, they need to work on the market launch and so on. And actually, if you're looking into the, let's say, 1 year chart, you see that we actually lost a little bit since the overall market went down from about its peak in January 2021, as you can see here. And then we had since the mid of June, so in the mid of the year, a nice, very nice ride from 23 to 47 dollar cents, which is great, right? I mean, this is exactly the gains that we would like to see on a regular basis, and Mydecine is making that happen as of now. The jump is actually in a matter of 1 month only, so this is very, very interesting here. Now, if we are looking into the chart, I usually also go a little bit deeper and see, okay, what can we see here? But if we are zooming out, you can see that they are just broke through this 45 cents resistance that they had, and also here was another resistance which was at 43 cents. So it has now room to run technically. So I'm very curious if we now hit the last all-time high at 52 cents. So with that said, let's jump into the conclusion of this vlog. So in the summary, of course, I want to give you the information that this is never financial advice. This is obviously a sponsored video as well. So never make your decision only on a YouTube video by any YouTuber out there. Make your own research. This is just to spark you some appetite if this stock is for you or not. And then you can make your own decision and research for yourself. But I believe, if you want to be in a young company, a company that has much potential, then this is at least worth to look into, because the whole industry is pretty new. The potential is great there as well. And if you're looking into this kind of chances on the markets, then this is something that I really like. Okay, I like to be early. I like to be into the beginnings of new industries, as you know, from space into space, or Tesla in sustainable energy. I like to be early, and that's why I always watch out for this kind of stocks. But in the end, it's your own decision. My focus is more on technology than medicine. For some people, it's more medicine than technology, and some people look for a mix out of this both, right? So it's important to make your own decision. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and let's see you tomorrow, because I'm vlogging every single day.